to jump. Wait, what if we send the berries? Before we build work, I need your help. Go and ask your grown-up for a bowl of water, then 2 little things to test. Stone, ready?
Sank, straight to the bottom.
Now this leaf. Thumbs up if you think it floats, thumbs down if you think it sinks. Ha-ha! It floats, big and flat and light. The water holds it up. Floaters go jump. Sinkers go squish down low. Ready? Float, float, jump so high. Sink, sink, down you go. Heavy sinks and light pine cone floats. Stick floats. Pebble sinks. So what should our boat be made of? Builders, go find 1 big leaf, 1 little twig. No leaves at your house? Ready? Ready? Go!
First, press the big leaf flat and curl the edges up. That's the hull, the part that holds everything.
Now poke the twig up through the middle. Nice and straight. Sprigo made his from foil. Both work. Hold yours up so I can see it. And the little leaf goes on the twig. That's the sail. It catches the wind. Are you ready, Sprigo? Here we go. Bye-bye, boat. Wow, we finally did it! Best day ever!
One berry, still floating.
2, 3, 4. Ooh, it's getting low. Oh no, too heavy. It sank. Wait, what if the boat is wider? A wider boat pushes on more water. More water pushing back up means it can carry more. Spread them out and sail! Whee! Float, float, jump so high! Sink, down you go! Here's your mission. Go outside with your grown-up and find 3 things from nature. Guess, float, test them in your bowl. Were you right? Next time, Sprigo found a bridge that's too wobbly to cross. Can we build a stronger one?